Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna do a night walk around with my new car, so my new Mercedes C-Class 2023 model, and this is the C300 Firmatic with AMG Line. So let's start here in the front where you see that the digital lights greet us. Beautiful design and also very impressive technology. Now the AMG Line has got a bit of a different bumper. You see the Mercedes star pattern. Name of this color is the Obsidian black, of course my favorite, that's why I spec'd it this way. 19-inch wheels and beautiful dual tone, so the diamond cut finish, and very aggressive side skirts. Now when you unlock the car, you see we are greeted with the puddle light as well, so that's beautiful. And from the rear, look at this, the lovely horizontal LEDs, and overall very elegant design. Now this car has got the night package, which means some parts are in gloss black instead of the chrome ones. For example, the edges here on the window, of course tinted windows to match with the rest of the car. And overall this is really nice. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the design and what do you think about the spec. Now you see this section here is also in gloss black. Usually this would be in chrome. Now you will see that when the car locks, you have this cool animation, but also when you unlock it, look at this. How cool is that? Now the tailgate. Here we are greeted with 455 liters of space. You can also fold the seats here with those buttons, so overall very practical. And I did not spec the electric tailgate. I think I don't need it, and I just think that it's easier this way, because I actually think that in the garage I would not think about the tailgate and just open it you know, here, and then it starts to move. I know you can, you know, of course change that and adjust the height, but I think this is easier. Also, one thing that I did spec that is very cool in my opinion is this rear spoiler. So this is the optional extra, and that way AMG Line, night package, and this spoiler overall makes the car very sporty indeed. Now let me show you the interior, which is so awesome. I mean, look at this illuminated Mercedes-Benz lettering and the beautiful ambient lights. So let's see it from driver's perspective. So there we go, and I will actually turn it on. There we go. You may saw the cool animation when we start the car, and look at this when you adjust the temperature. So if you go to higher temperature, then this illuminates in red. This is the latest MBUX system. Beautiful 3D navigation. Look at this, look at the attention to details, the buildings here, and even the windows are illuminated during the night. How cool is that? I mean, this is just awesome. You also get the augmented reality. You can watch my night point of view drive for more details about that. And yeah, well, if we press the home, go to comfort, you can also adjust the color of the ambient lights. We have them throughout the whole car, and you can adjust the multicolor, so the car can constantly change the color if you want that. And I think really, I mean, this interior during the night, this is so impressive. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? And not gonna go through all the details, but I want to show you the 360 view here. Look at this. So we can see the surroundings, brake light, and yeah, well, very cool indeed. And the digital cockpit also has different views that are available. We can set the navigation here, then the assistance view, service view, and back to the sport one. Let me show you that one. I find this one very cool with the G-force and the engine data. And another cool one is the understated. So look at this, you have this minimalistic view when you have the understated. You see also the speedometer is a bit different, and here is where you actually have the clock. So yeah, very cool indeed. And in classic one you can also change what you see here between the dials. The head-up display, I didn't show you that, so let's actually change the views that are available. Sport one, minimal, standard, eco display, and here is where you adjust these settings. So overall, very impressive. Let me turn on the indicators and show you the car once again from outside. And this combination, I think it looks gorgeous with the black exterior color. There we go. Now with the lights turned on and the indicators as well. So tell me in the comments, how do you like the car? How do you like this spec? And do subscribe for more. Also watch my point of view drive to see more details.